What is happening, traders? Alright, so our landlord is finally breaking out after all of these freaking divergences, and even after losing this key area of significance right here, we're finally diverging and we're simply breaking out the 21 simple moving average. Guys, I've been telling all of you every single day that you got to be taking care of the 21 simple moving average on 4-hour time frame to finally confirm any trend reversal or a trend continuation. All this while, ever since we rejected the 54,000 regions to the downside, we have been rejecting the 21 simple like a little bitch, guys. This is the price action was simply not able to go above this point ever since the 51k region, ever since we had a swing failure pattern right here, and then we had another swing failure pattern right here. So we had multiple events of divergence coming in at between this and this point and this point right here, right? So finally you're breaking above this, and guess what we're breaking out of? We're breaking out of a falling pizza slice right here, guys. This is a pizza slice, this is a falling wedge. But yeah, so you're breaking out of this falling wedge, and this previous this bullish engulf candle previously was certainly a good strength indicator as to, yep, we are going to be headed up towards this liquid zone at $51,000 levels. Now how is that a confirmed thing? That's a confirmed thing. Not just yet, but pretty soon, like this 4-hour candle closes above this area right here, which is going to be 48,000 zones. We're going to be headed towards 51, probably by today or tomorrow or something like that. But yeah, you're certainly going to be headed towards these areas to test the liquidity exit points, right? Because guys, I think certainly 51,000 level is certainly going to have some scar on people's brain that, yep, you could be experiencing some another form of sell-off or a second wave sell-off right here. But yep, but if you do take down 51,000 to the upside on a 4-hour closing basis, then I think yes, you are going to be headed towards the retest of the all-time high currently coming in at 58,000 levels. Now 58,000 from the current level is certainly a good move on our landlord itself, guys. 20% move on the landlord is simply suggesting of the fact that most of the micro caps, most of the small caps, they're probably going to do 100 to 200%, guys, at least. Right? And this is how cryptocurrencies work now. Anyway, so Bitcoin looking pretty simple in the small time frames. Let's check how the hourly is doing. Hourly simple continuation right here. At the first go, we were kind of rejecting this zone right here at 48, but it looks to me like there is certainly a lot of momentum in the market, which is trying to push this entire price action to the upside, and we did test the liquidity point above these 2 wicks. So yes, it looks to me like there is not much sell interest coming off of this region. You could be a little cautious about this area right here, as you had a little support and resistance confluences coming in at these places around 48,600 levels. So hourly closes above that one is certainly going to lead prices to 51,000 levels. So you do have a good trade in front of you, guys. Well, in fact, let me be honest, this is a confirmation right here. You are failing to close candle below this area right here. So you can simply consider you could go for some spot exposure on BTC, or maybe some derivative exposures as well on BTC, and head out for this trade right here for a 6% move to the upside, which is coming in at 51,000, guys. 51,000 is certainly going to be very, very important. Now this wedge, guys, today is going to be a compensation day, because yesterday I was like, all right, let's just try to live some life, right? I mean, so yeah, that's why no video yesterday. I'm really sorry about that. If you do watch my videos every day, I really appreciate your engagement. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Your engagement is really precious to me, and let me know down in the comments, what were you going throughout this entire region of chop. Were you trading this? Were you trying to trade this, or were you trying to wait for this perfect reversal move to actually come into fruition and then go for the retest breakout trade? Guys, this was also another opportunity right here after this bullish engulf breakout right here. So the retest around 45,000 levels. Yeah, this was a clear-cut opportunity right here, and we never closed any candle below it. We did retest it, but yep, simply got picked up. Sorry, apologize for that. But yeah, you're headed towards 51 for the timing. If you close any 4-hour, 12-hour above it, then you're headed towards this. Until Bitcoin is staying bullish in these levels, basically until Bitcoin is holding above 47,500, guys. If 47,500 is being breached to the downside again on a 4-hour closure or a 2-hour closure, then yeah, I mean, yes, that's going to be again quite an awful kind of price action. You'll come back to 45,000, and then eventually you'll come back to 46,000 again, then probably test the 42,000 levels as well if we fail here, if we go for another swing failure. But this reaction right here looks kind of strong to me, at least for the time being, guys. I mean, the 12-hour candle, yeah, this is also going to be a very significant one. You want to be closing this next 12-hour candle above the 21 simple moving average for the entire motions confirmation move to the upside. And guys, if you are closing above the 12 or 21 simple, that's certainly going to be a good sign in the short term, as most of the times you've seen how relevant this has been throughout the price journey. In fact, most of the times when you close below it, you're certainly bearish, but when you start to reaccumulate and close above it, you certainly go for some continuation moves. This has been happening ever since we broke above the 10.5k zones, guys. You got reaccumulated here, and then you got reaccumulated all the way in this place right here. Now something like that is formulating itself again. Now guys, don't get me wrong, I think that the macro candles are just look at this massive red fuck off candle coming from 58,000, guys. This is not looking good. So I guess look, in my humble in my IMHO in my whatever the fuck that is, in my opinion, I think that this is likely going to be another sell-off. If we do try to test the 55 levels, maybe 56 levels as well, there could be a sell-off in the first go, but then you can think about coming down to some higher liquid levels around 41, 38, and then you can talk about getting picked up. Probably by that time, the 21 simple moving average would also be above this support, but that's going to take a while, guys. So more chop, but guess what, guys? Bitcoin has set the direction for the coming, I think, day or so, as this, well, nothing is confirmed until the next 8 hours. But if you are closing this candle above this one, basically, if you're closing the daily candle above the 21, yes, you are setting a direction for the, not for yourself, but the entire crypto space to the upside for at least the coming few days, guys. So a lot of people were suspecting that we have certainly not bottomed out, and these fuck off red dildos are simple capitulations, which is going to continue forever, guys. I mean, okay, in the moment it looked like that, as we were simply breaking every single support to the downside, guys. That's why you do not go for long trades when the asset is under consolidation and it is below the 21 simple on the 4-hour time frame. We left that. We are certainly going to the upside, and you are looking at some confirmation moves as well. So guys, wait for this level to be taken down for another move to 51k, and wait for 51k to be taken down for another move to 58k, guys. Not much on Bitcoin, not difficult. Let's not make trading a difficult job. Trading is pretty simple, and I think if you feel really confused, you got to zoom the fuck out. Just zoom out on the entire picture and see what suits the best for you. But most likely the direction for cryptocurrencies for at least today and tomorrow is going to be set out as bullish, guys, as bullish. So your bias is going to be bullish if you are going to be trading any crypto asset for that matter, guys. A lot of videos coming up, and this was it for the quick Bitcoin wrap up, and I'm going to be coming up with Ethereum and some graph token as well. And well, I hope to see you guys on the next video pretty soon. Bye for now.